Thinking of buying your first home? Wait, do you really understand what pre-approval means? Or what escrow actually does? Because one wrong move, one misunderstood term, could cost you thousands. Don't stress, I've got you covered. In this video, we break down the 14 must-know real estate terms that every smart buyer should understand. In plain English, no fluff. Stick around till the end, and you'll walk into your next home, deal with confidence, clarity, and control. Let's get into it. 1. Pre-approval versus pre-qualification. These two sound similar, but they're very different. Pre-qualification is like guessing your budget based on what you tell the lender. Pre-approval, that's the real deal. A lender reviews your actual financials and tells you exactly how much they're willing to lend. Pro tip: sellers love pre-approved buyers. It shows you're serious. 2. Mortgage. A mortgage is simply a loan to buy a home. You borrow the money now and pay it back monthly, usually for 15 to 30 years with interest. Unless you're paying all cash, this is your ticket to home ownership. 3. Down payment. This is your upfront payment on the house. Most people put down between 3% and 20% of the purchase price. Some loans let you put down as little as 0%. But the lower the down payment, the higher the risk, and sometimes the fees. For interest rate, your interest rate determines how expensive your loan will be. Lower rate equals lower monthly payment and less total cost. Fixed rate means it stays the same. Adjustable rate can change over time, sometimes dramatically. 5. Escrow. Escrow is like a neutral safety zone. A third party holds your money or documents until everyone plays fair. It protects you and the seller during the deal. 6. Offer. Your offer isn't just the price, it's a complete package. It includes how much you'll pay when you want to close, any special conditions the seller can accept, reject, or counter. So be ready to negotiate. 7. A contingency equals a deal breaker clause. Examples: if the home inspection fails, if the appraisal comes in low, if your loan doesn't go through. These clauses protect you from losing money if things go sideways. 8. Appraisal. Before a lender gives you money, they want to make sure the home is actually worth it. An appraiser checks the home's value. It's too low, you may have to renegotiate or walk away. 9. Home inspection. A trained inspector checks the home for hidden issues. Leaks, bad wiring, mold, you name it. It's optional. But skipping it is like buying a car without checking the engine. Just don't. 10. Closing costs. You're not just paying the home price. Closing costs are extra fees due at signing. Think lender fees, title insurance, attorney fees, etc. Usually around 2% to 5% of the home's price. Plan for it. 11. Title. The title proves you're the legal owner. But before closing, a title company checks for red flags, like unpaid taxes, claims, or liens. That could mess with your ownership. Don't skip this step. 12. Closing. The finish line. You sign papers, pay fees, and get your keys. Once it's done, boom, you're officially a homeowner. Time to celebrate. 13. PMI. Private mortgage insurance. If your down payment is under 20%, lenders usually require PMI. It protects them, not you. But here's the good news. Once you build up enough equity, you can cancel it. 14. Equity equals the part of the home you truly own. As your home's value rises, or you pay off the loan, your equity grows. It's your real estate wealth. There you have it. 14 real estate terms that just saved you stress, confusion, and possibly thousands of dollars. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments. I read and reply to them all. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more real estate tips. Check out our other videos on buying smart in 2025. This is the Real Estate Scouts, and we'll see you in the next one.